Udokotela uMatshidiso Moeti uthi nakuba lolu bhubhane lushaye kwezwela emhlabeni izwekazi Afrika lishayeke kakhulu.
COVID-19 has hit all countries hard, but its impact has been harshest on those communities and individuals that were already vulnerable, more exposed to the infection with the virus, less likely to have access to good quality healthcare services, and more likely to experience the adverse consequences of lockdowns or other measures.
Izwekazi lidonse kanzima ezinhlelweni zalo zokulwa nalolu bhubhane ngenxa yezinkinga ebezikhona.
Of the 448 million COVID-19 vaccine doses administered worldwide already, only 11 million or 2% have been in Africa.
Iphindile kaNgqongqoshe wezempilo uDokotela uJoe Phaahla uthi bashayeke kakhulu laba abazizwa becindezelwe benganikwa futhi namathuba entuthuko empilweni.
Despite improvements in health outcomes globally, these gains have not been shared equally across different countries, different communities, and also across continents. The COVID-19 pandemic has had grave consequences for people already experiencing inequalities. The pandemic has disproportionately impacted those people already socially, economically, or geographically disadvantaged.
Ungqongqoshe wezempilo uDokotela uZweli Mkhize uthi nakuba zibe khona izingqinamba ebezikhona kodwa inkulu inqubekela phambili esikhona ezwenikazi.
I am pleased to know today's audience that includes states and non-state actors. And I've looked at the numbers. It looks like we've got over 1,000 people. Were it not for the virtual platform, would really be in a very big rally just now. This is a positive and reassuring sign that we all acknowledge the importance of collaboration as we combat the spread of the pandemic and progress towards the creation of sufficiently resilient health systems.
Isiqubulo sakulonyaka njengoba kubungazwa usuku lwezempilo emhlabeni jikelele sithi Together for the Fairer, Healthier World. NguCalvin Dludla, wezindaba ze-SABC, ngibika ngiseGoli.